Hey there guys, James Graves here, and yes, we're filming from a different angle today because we're going to be talking about something very important, which is photographing your EDC gear, in particular your keys. And we're going to be working through some basic Photoshop techniques that you can use to make sure that you safely take banger photos of your gear without worrying about someone copying your keys, breaking into your house, and doing lots of naughty things. Now everyone's got a different way of getting around this when they're taking photos of their gear, whether they take the keys out entirely, which is very common, or replace them with an old set, or just blur them out in some way, or just hide them from the frame. But to me, all these techniques are either too time consuming or they take away from the quality of the photo, because in reality it looks better when you've got a decent set of keys in there. It just looks more realistic as a gear shot. So what I'm going to show you guys today is a very simple post-processing technique which allows you to take a shot of your actual keys and then just edit them a little bit after to make sure that the photo still looks genuine but people can't copy them. Now the first thing you want to do is open up your photo in Photoshop. You can do this before or after applying your edits. I've actually applied mine already. So from Lightroom I'm going to right click, edit in, and edit in Photoshop. Now in case you're wondering, yes, these are original keys in this photo, but they are just random keys I found lying around. They are obsolete. So good luck to any opportunists that want to use this for anything that they shouldn't be. Now the first thing you're going to do in Photoshop is zoom in on your keys. Now you want to hit S on your keyboard to get up the clone stamp tool, and then hit Alt and right click and drag to adjust the diameter and hardness of your stamp. Somewhere about there looks pretty good. Next you're going to choose one of your keys to start with, hold down Alt key and left click on one of the ridges of the key. Now just move the clone stamp down a little bit, left click to add another ridge, and now you've changed your key. I'm going to keep going all the way down just to finish this off, and as you can see we've got an entirely different key now that from a distance actually doesn't look too bad. Now repeat the same thing for the other keys, and you'll see that you now have a new set of keys which look entirely different, but from a distance it looks like you've just taken a normal shot of your key. Now it's important to remember that if you're going to be taking loads of photos of the same sets of keys, then you want to be consistent with the ridges that you're hiding using this tool. If you're uploading lots of photos of the same sets but they look different each time, then technically someone could go through and find the similarities between them, and then they could probably replicate your key if they really wanted to. For the final step, hit Y on your keyboard to bring up the history brush and get rid of any unwanted spillover from the clone stamp. You can then hit J on your keyboard to use the spot healing brush and tidy up any blurry spots or blemishes that look out of place. And that's all there is to it. So now you've got a photo that predominantly features keys, it looks realistic, and most importantly, it is safe. So thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. If you did, please do drop it a like, comment down below what you want to see next time, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already for new videos coming out every single week. I'll see you guys one more time before Christmas, so have a good week and I'll see you then.